In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to successfully set up a service product in your commerce platform, set up the payment method, and finally publish it so your customers can start purchasing. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to offer seamless service products online. Let's begin with adding service products to your commerce platform. Think of this as creating a digital store shelf where you'll display the services you offer. Start by logging into your platform's dashboard. Look for the section that deals with adding new products. This might be located under a Products or Services tab, depending on your platform. Once there, you'll want to select the option to add a new service. Here's the exciting part where you shape how your service will appear to your potential customers. Enter a clear and catchy name for your service. Keep it concise but descriptive enough to convey what you provide. For instance, if you're offering consulting, a title like 30-minute strategy consultation clearly showcases both the service type and duration. Moving on, let's focus on setting up payment methods, a pivotal part of ensuring a smooth transaction process for your customers. Navigate to the payment settings section in your platform's dashboard. If this is your first time setting up payments, you may need to link your bank account or payment gateway provider, such as PayPal or Stripe. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this process, keeping in mind that each payment provider might have different steps or verification processes. After linking your payment method, you'll see options to configure payments for your products. For a seamless customer experience, consider enabling multiple payment options. This way, customers can choose the method that suits them best, enhancing their purchase journey with convenience. Now, it's all about fine-tuning these details to match your business needs. Set your pricing in accordance with the value of the service and consider any market rates or competitor analysis you've conducted. If your platform allows it, adding options for discounts or special offers can attract more interested clients. Customers often appreciate clarity and transparency, so ensure your service descriptions are thorough and informative. After setting up products and payments, the final stage is publishing. Publishing is like opening the doors to your store. Double check your service listings for any typos or errors. Make sure the visuals attached, if any, are high quality and relevant. Once you're satisfied, look for the Publish button on your platform, which might be labeled as Go Live or Launch. Clicking this makes your services visible to potential customers who are eager to book. So there you have it. You've added your service, ensured a seamless checkout process, and gone live. Keeping these steps in mind helps ensure that your service has a professional online presence, all set for your audience to discover and engage with. Thank you for tuning in, and best of luck with your commerce endeavor.